Hello, welcome to my channel. This is my second video of this channel. The last video I posted was just a year ago, saying that how I don't have a motorcycle license and I can't ride all of these bikes. And a year later, now I'm 17, I got my motorcycle permit. Now I can ride all of those motorcycles. So I decided to build one myself. And here it is. So it's a Honda CT90. I swapped it for a 190cc Zhongshan motor. So the problem is I don't see many people doing this engine swap on these kind of bikes. Yes, I have a stock 1969 CT90 back there. That's my dad's. This one totally cost me around $800. The frame was only 40 bucks. The engine's only $380. I got them shipped from China. These wheels are aftermarket. Yes, you might see there's a front disc brake. Yeah, the stock Honda CT90 doesn't have a front disc brake. So this wheel is actually a Honda CG125's aftermarket disc converted brake with the disc brake compatible front fork, which is not available here in the US. And it took them about a month to get here. Or the wheel, whatever. It's also wider than stock. This is the 1.6 comparing to the 1.4 on the stock or the front. The gearing is a 17 front, 37 rear. Should be a speed demon and hopefully I don't die from it. It's a 5-speed engine making about like 18 horsepower, but I do see people with big bore 212cc with a 4-valve head producing over 24 horsepower like the 4-valve Daytona 190s. And yeah, let's take a look around this bike. Alright, let's take a closer look at it. So, the first thing you notice is probably the exhaust. Why is it pointing forward, you might ask me? Yeah, it's not supposed to be like that, but it's the only way I can make this thing not as loud as straight piping it without an exhaust pipe. Yeah, I ordered one and a foot peg. As you can see, it's empty right there. It'll take about another month to get here, so this bike will probably sit in the garage for a long time. And let's take a walk around. It's pretty clean, yeah? So I did the paint myself. It's a sky blue paired with silver. Crap. So I did the paint myself, and I choose the sky blue paired with silver or gray, what you call, or whatever you want to call it, mixed with a little bit of blackish. The front headlight doesn't really match this color, so I'm ordering a Baja light that's made for the Honda Monkeys, which will look pretty cool on this. So you're probably wondering how the engine is mounted, since the stock Honda CT90s doesn't use the regular standard Honda Cub mounts. And yeah, they're pretty hard to mount. So the top engine mount, they're a 10mm hole through the both side. I used a washer that goes into it, and then which made it compatible with the 8mm bolt. I'll put a image right here on Amazon. And for the bottom mount here, crap. I used those Lifen engine kit mount that goes from the rear hole engine mount to reach under the foot peg mounts on the bottom of the engine. Seems like it's holding pretty good enough, but we'll still have this test, see if the engine will come loose over time. So nothing is stock on this bike except for the handlebars, the frame, and the chain guard. That's everything else is just aftermarket, as you can see. So I have to apologize for everyone who was watching, because I'm not going to take it for a ride in this video. I'll do another video next time, which after I get the exhaust and the foot peg. Because it's just not comfortable for me to ride, and also I don't want to get my feet crushed. Just watch me dangling my feet. I'm 6'2". Riding as a small bike is awkward for me because I'm just cramping, like, ugh. Huh. Yeah. Anyway, I can start it up just for a sound reference. Let's see. I'll do another video, I promise. I won't be slacking. Or there will be a second part to it. Alright, bye. Anyway, I'm pretty sure this video is gonna suck, but if you're still watching, much appreciated.